Hi everyone. Do you want to get ready for next generation data stack operations? Then you have an excellent option before you. Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is a next best technology to deal with big data, cloud computing, ETL, and AI-based analytic activities. And do you know the Microsoft Fabric is an all-in-one solution for any enterprise data engineering and data science needs. Everything in a single shop, right from raw data processing to big data activities, including ETL, warehousing, Lakehouse, OneLake activities, to analytics, data science, machine learning, AI, Copilot, LLMs, and agentic AI implementations. Everything in a single roof. Here comes the need for Fabric data engineers. Fabric data engineers are in a great demand now. In this complete course, I will be teaching you what you really need for your resume. In this Fabric data engineering, I will be providing you, more importantly, two real-time projects. Whether you are a student or a working professional or a job seeker, anyone, everyone can happily get the complete grip on the subject with my awesome technical complete course. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Over 2 decades of love, dedication, and dating with databases since my first job at Microsoft. I assure you practical exposure to every aspect of this technology. As a Fabric data engineer, we are responsible for dealing with various types of data sources, right from websites, apps, IoT, Internet of Things, files, and databases. I will be teaching you practically how to handle small to medium to big data scale environments with CI/CD implementations. And no interview is complete without project specifications. There, I will be concentrating more throughout my entire course in Fabric data engineering. I'll be concentrating on your actual job roles. I'll be concentrating on your interview preparation. I'll be conducting mock interviews. I'll make sure you are doing the project work right so that we can easily mimic the real world project activities. I'll be showing you the right path that you really need now to stay ahead in this competitive world. I'll be starting from SQL and tuning concepts. I'll proceed for making you get the complete grip on Fabric data engineering subject, and that should be enough for your resume with one real-time project if it is a starter profile. However, for experienced profiles, I'll be teaching you additionally for Power BI with Fabric integrations and second real-time project. You see the complete glimpse of the entire session's plan on my screen. Let me tell you, the time has come. We need to ensure proper training to be imparted. No compromise in my learning process. I teach you everything step by step with use case scenarios, real world activities, concept wise assignments, weekly mock interviews, and lot more stuff, including conducting free webinars on weekends, post the course, after the course to stay up to date with this trending Fabric technology. I'll be guiding you for good number of scenarios and resume. I divided the entire course into 3 plans. If someone already have work experience on SQL, they can directly go for Fabric data engineering plan A. The duration for 6 weeks, wherein they'll be learning complete end-to-end Fabric operations. If someone is new to database or someone wanted to learn SQL and get more confidence in their resume and for interview preparation, I strongly recommend you go for plan B, SQL and tuning, and then followed by Fabric data engineering. If someone wanted to have more confidence in their interview room, I prefer you go for plan C, SQL plus Fabric plus Power BI, complete end-to-end activities. My course will definitely help you a lot. My complete support during and after the course for your resumes, mock interviews, and including certification for Fabric data engineering. Let's meet for a live demo session. Let's understand more about our course, the course proceedings, and the detailed curriculum, including project deliverables. See you there in my actual live session, live intro session. Either live online or self-paced video training, same content, same curriculum, and same care. See you there in my actual classes. Wish you all the very best. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.